Hello, hello, hello. What is up, people? We are live again. And let me share the link so then we can just get going. Mm, Perfect. Sounds good to me. And let me just paste this. Perfect. Crazy. Let's go. Let's start with our thing. Um, where's my Spotify? Here. Perfect. Let's go. So till now we have worked on some of the stuff and we're gonna take things ahead from there. I believe you have watched our previous videos, so you would be aware about what all things we have worked over and what all things we are going to work more on. Um, I was yesterday working over admin. So like what admin panel is basically it just goes like we just have to we just need a panel which can be controlled by my team so that whenever any of the users face any problems, I'm sorry, so they should be able to easily tackle out with that. So like we should be able to help them with that thing. So that's why we need the admin panel. So I was adding admin panel, as well as over here there was some task going on. It was for team members, so any of the company should be able to add that team. So that's why I had made that whole thing happen. And make sure there should be no gaps on the implementation part. Everything should be 100% implemented. go through whole code base and look out for potential issues and bugs that might occur and that are existent and which we are not aware about.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I will stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong.
Check out the pages that we have so that if anything needs some changes, we can just get going from here. Okay, let's open the pages. Okay, yeah, works. PNPM dev. We are onto some new error. Let's give this thing this error so it can start working over it. Static route. What's the issue? Why is it loading a lot? Oh, it's taking me to admin panel. Why? I don't want to go to admin panel right now. I guess that's the issue. I guess the admin panel is being worked over. See, that's the place. Edited walkthrough. Okay. Team members thing is, I guess it's ready. Sounds good to me. And this sounds good to me. Perfect. Okay. It has set some password, which we're gonna change for sure, obviously. But get it. The email is ready and the thing is ready. What does it say? Hmm, we don't use NPX, guys. Okay, let's move ahead with the thing. It is going through all the things. What about this? Finalizing OAuth, storage, token handling. Okay, then we'll give it to Sonnet, I guess Opus, so that it'll start working over all the things. What I'm thinking about is we need to have a global integration system. So, what global integration system stands for is basically we need to have somebody, like whenever somebody just goes into our whole thing, like our system, we need to, they should not be putting their API keys and everything to connect their Google Calendar, cal.com, Salesforce, HubSpot, whatever they are using. I just want them to directly, you would have seen the button that's called authorize button, right? It's like authorize my app and it gets authorized automatically. So I want that authorized button to work for us. So that's why I'm just waiting for this thing to get done with it so that we can have an authorized button for all of the different integrations.
Yeah. Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. Uh. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating thanks to all the rumors you be. Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all.
Okay, so we have this thing, multiple API routes only called supplied headers while using supervisor's role, so anyone can impersonate any user data perform. Okay. Mm-hmm. A single post can send email on behalf of any tenant. Critical integration management service role. Attackers can read active config. Integration management is still we are working on it, so I don't think so all these things make sense for now. Get it. Now let's open plans.md so we can have bit of the things in our mind. I believe all these things were worked over yesterday only. Please check all this worked over. Where's the make sure to
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily.
see this is working for 12 minutes and it's like crazy. It's going crazier.
I can't forget
Uh,
that you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby? Why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
mm, It's not reachable, so we will go in apps, in web. Should I go in API? Some error. Where is our agent? Agent, please take it up. Till then, we'll go to the next module. We are just checking out all the things so that whatever errors we have with Node or PNPM or wherever it is, everything gets sorted out so that we can then move ahead with the launch because we already want to go with the beta version. So now we're gonna go with this side and cd web PNPM dev. Let's see what happens here. Okay, it says it has connected with the thing. Let's see. Still, the API won't be connected, so I won't be able to access login and everything because there will be no endpoints right now. But yes, at least the front end will be. Oh my God, what is this? Why does it show me like this? There is some issue. I don't know. I can't see it like this. Please check this whole thing because when I just started the thing, the terminal, it showed me like the page does not have any styling. It just showed me the HTML content. So please check that what problem is there. Maybe it is not able to load a Tailwind CSS and everything, or what's the problem in there. And please go through the logs of the terminal so that you can have a bit of idea. Though I didn't start the API because there was some other error. So it's being worked on by another AI agent, so you don't have to work on what API has the errors. But yes, just look into this and let me know what are the problems. It says it has completed everything. Okay, sounds good to me. Perfect. Everything is marked done. Let's see plans. The plans, it still has not marked anything. Mark it then in plans.md. Once it gets marked up, so we can have the log of what all things are done and what all things are not done yet. Our this agent is still working over the thing, over the API errors that we had. No, we are done with this. Hmm. Okay, I like it. Telecom, secret ID, and everything. Perfect. Let me just go into the Supabase and just run the code. It ran successfully, so we are good. Perfect. Now let me give all these things to Opus so that it can get working on it. Perfect. It says it has marked everything done in here. Perfect. Looks super, super good to me. Um, I'll just open up a new window. Codex has worked over a small thing on integrations part, and even I have ran the given code in SQL editor of Supabase. I want you to start working over the things that I'm pasting down below so that we can have all the integrations ready, and whatever I have to do from my side, whatever APIs or like however I have to connect all those things, just let me know so that I can start working over my side once you get completed after everything. Okay, so for Salesforce, so basically I did ask ChatGPT so to write me all the different prompts so that we don't have to wait and just keep watching all those things. I'll otherwise I'll just keep on making all these prompts and you guys will get thoughtless out of it. So I just made all the prompts ready. So now this can start the planning of all the things and it can start working over everything. I know this is huge. This is huge. This is not going to be easy. Complete Salesforce integration, HubSpot, and everything. Perfect. With it, what I'm going to do is once that thing is done, we'll ask it to move ahead with another integration.
Rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality.
See how this has started working. It's like crazy. This is crazy. Okay, we have some answers ready. The hydration error in your console is coming from a browser extension and not Tailwind. The mismatch mentions data, da, 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 which are Grammarly attributes injected into DOM before React hydrates. So React re-renders the tree and throws hydration error, disable Grammarly or any DOM injection extension. Okay.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I
It
know
says it's
that is
already up to
not
date.
reality.
And that's perfect. If it's already up to date, then I have no other issues. Um, Perfect. Let's run pnpm test. It shouldn't start the admin panel. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, I found it now. What was the issue? should not have three. Still, still, what's the issue in here? I don't know. Let me just ask somebody out of it. Perfect. We are on the page. I guess it's the onboarding part where we have all those issues. So we need to work on it. Okay. This is something new. Yeah. Wow. This is new. I have never used this kind of thing in Google Chrome. I have never split out the windows. Wow. This looks good to me. Okay. It says all the things. What about Brain Engine? This sounds perfect. What about in here? What if I go to About page? We don't build dialers, we build brains. Crazy, crazy. I just love this. I just love this. Ready to join the revolution. Love it. Perfect. This looks good. Let me just delete the previous user that we had made yesterday so that I can then log in into here and like sign up into here and we can check the onboarding process.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but
Perfect.
gravity pulls you
So it's
straight
gonna be
down.
Jay's POS or another company.
From
If you would be following
monetization,
us from the long time, you would be aware about it.
you should grow
We're
feathers
gonna
so
go
as to.
hello embracepos.com.
When you want to
I'm
get
gonna
off the
put down the
darkest
password.
ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Let's go ahead and create account. What's the error?
When
Unexpected
you want
token.
to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Did it take in the user? It took in the user, but why did it show me the error? See, this is where we stop. but the new user got registered in the supabase, as in the database, it got registered. Then what was the problem that occurred on the front end part of it? And why didn't it go through? And after like a minute, it just took me to app and onboarding links, like onboarding URL. But why did it show me the error on the first part?
Bird's eye view. You should
See, so
go
now
there,
we are
see this
lagged up
too.
here.
When you want to get
I'm
off, there's
deleting
no
the user
place
right now
now. But gravity pulls us
and
tight.
removing the side data so it doesn't crack up here and it takes me back. How's our integrations and stuff going?
When you want to get off, there.
Perfect, it's making all the integrations right now. So I believe it'll be done. I knew it's gonna end like this because it's a huge task to do, like crazy task. Still see it's like updating database and schema, creating HubSpot webhook endpoint. It's like it has not even started yet. It's that behind because there is a huge thing to work over. See, it's like every other file is minimum 200 to 300 lines long. So it's not small. It's not gonna be small. And the implementation plan, the one that it has made is, all these components it want to add. Okay. After once all these things are added, see it has made some of the data types and all the things. Google Calendar enhancements, integration enhancements, and for Cal, for the database schema, like everything is, it makes amazing plans, it is just great at planning. Now it is, it has kept this ready for us, so like it's environment setup. So you will need to set these environment variables, how to obtain each. So for Salesforce, go to Setup, Apps, App Manager, New Connected App. It's like enable auth settings and add URL. This is crazy. After that, we have go to HubSpot developers, Google Cloud Console, Cal.com platform. Over that, we just have to create OAuth client, and we are ready. That's amazing. Okay, I'll ask it to do one more thing. Please go through the whole onboarding process, like all the questionnaire, because once I try to sign up, after signing up, it just shows me the HTML pages. So there is like, it looks like Tailwind is not able to get loaded up, or what's the problem? I'm not sure. So please go through the whole onboarding pages and onboarding process and just look at the front end part, like what is not able to load, and make sure to analyze it super comprehensively so that this issue never comes up again.
Yeah, feel the impact. Yeah, break it open, leaving nothing fucking intact.
Why does it want to understand project structure again? Because it has made the onboarding process.
Hey yo, we been back. You been stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey bitch, you been whacked. I kill 'em all, feel the motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie. Say you ready and prepared. Take a minute and make them aware. Well, I be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap. Homie, life ain't fair. Caught me crawling through the mud with a vision, saw it clearly. Born a shepherd to these sheep, make them fear me. This a war zone, trashed out, trap house. Nothing ever given.
Perfect, it
You
will
give and get
analyze it.
blessed. Thank the Lord, oh how
By
I
that
feel. See
time,
me riding
the
in my
main
charger.
thing
Got
for
my
me is
foot on the
this.
pedal, pressing on the gas. I don't think I'll ever
I
stop.
just wanted to get
Yo, this a war zone,
built
homie.
successfully. Because once this is done, we're gonna work on resend. Resend is the email module that we're gonna use. So like it's gonna send all the emails from our side, from everybody else too. Should we give, as a sales team, should we give the newsletter shit or not? I need to think on this. I need to think on this. Let's see all of our agents and whosoever is done with the stuff so that we can just close them or use them again.
Around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
It says it should now load perfectly. I don't think so.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found. But you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air, like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
It doesn't look like you have made any changes. Still, let's confirm from the one that we have.
Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and
Mhm.
disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I pray
It still can't load anything. It still shows me the same page.
my fears. I'm on my own. You made it so. And now I'm chasing nightmares through I used to run with you through the great big
Let's see if
rivers.
there are any
Cross the
errors
oceans
in here.
when you laughed
Yes. See, all these errors can be sent to these errors shows that what all the things are needed to be worked on. You can even try going to networks tab. It'll show you exact thing. Looks like we need to give this to, we can just give it to codex. We will just make all these changes happen. Integration says it's done. What the heck? It did the whole thing or what? Yes. Let me close this so that things get more visible. Create, cancel, reschedule. Perfect. Google Calendar is ready. Cal.com is ready. HubSpot is ready. Let's run this. Let me give this to the agent.
I can see you from behind. You can
Mhm.
hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know.
Looks like this is going to work on layout JS for sure, so that will make sure everything happens perfectly. So let's see.
Are
Let's see
you
what it does.
afraid of
Till
the
then,
dark?
mm,
Are you scared?
I want you to check everything, every integrations again. What we are trying to do over here is we're gonna give all the integration names, like all the app names, like Salesforce, HubSpot, Google, Cal, and we just like all the clients or all the customers who gonna log into our system, they're gonna just click on authorize button. They're gonna go on this authorization link. They will authorize with their user accounts on all this whatever accounts they have, and once they authorize us, we will be able to fetch, we will be able to edit, read, add anything. Like we'll be able to do all the CRUD stuff inside any of these applications. So make sure you have made all the integrations super, super perfect. And once all of those things are done, um, just confirm that yes, everything is implemented 100%, and then we'll move ahead from there.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I am you.
we have some RLS issues, like some of the RLS disabled in some of the tables. So like we are just doing the thing over here, and perfect. This sounds good. Now we just have to go through this, and once all these things are done, we'll be good with it. Oh yes, it says yes, everything is ready. Salesforce, HubSpot, Google Calendar, and Kel.com. Perfect. Now we have to do same for. Oh, if you think we need to have any more improvisations as per the docs, as per the plans, as per the future vision we have, then make sure to mention all these things below, and make a comprehensive plan to work on all those things for these integrations, like this 5 app integrations that we have made already, and start working over all those. Perfect. Anything is completed its work. Get it. We never call this supervise auth sign up, and we just let them get in. This is an issue. What to do? How to sign up? Check data session redirecting. If it's null, tell the user, confirm their email, and immediately sign them in. Think deeply on the whole auth process for signing up, for making a new account, and make sure to implement every single thing that you think about, because the auth is one of the super important part of our whole system. So go ahead and make sure everything works super, super perfectly and you don't make any mistake in there. We are using OAuth 2 of Supabase. So make sure you perfectly use everything and every best feature they offer. Okay, all the agents are working. Just two of those are not working on anything. I don't like when somebody doesn't work. Three of those are not working. Just three are working. Please go through whole plans.md and check out what of the tasks are not completed yet. and what are super important to be completed first. Just check out all those and get me back with the report. It went to wholeplans.md. This is the shit part. There is no wholeplans.md. There is plans.md. Let's see what it does. Considering file name search approach, whole plan files. Perfect. So it looks good. It has started working on the thing. Let's see what next we want to work on. Yes, this is perfect. Google Calendar and CRM is yet remaining. We have data and infra not applied, schema engine, okay, web capture, automated test coverage. Okay, all three of those are working on something. This is right now on this plan. Let's see what's the plan about. Just give me a moment. Let me just get back. This is perfect. This is working on it. Okay, we have new tables in here. We have recent domain integration, domain onboarding flow, and everything ready. That's perfect. This is where I like all these AI tools. What is that? Okay, looks good to me. Why am I lagging a lot? I want you to think on what all pages are remaining right now for us. Oh my god, lots and lots of issues. Okay, whatever agents are not working right now, let me close those. It says it has hardened the thing. Okay,
Over the
what
edge,
does this say?
feel like I'm floating through the air.
These are just the major gaps.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless, fearless, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless, 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 fearless.
It lags sometimes, and when it lags out, I'm like, shit, everlasting problem. PNPN, EXEC, super, days, DB push.
You and me, hanging from the willow tree, quietly drifting in the open breeze. Suddenly, the wind blows you away from me. Now I see we were never meant to be. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dance until the dawn. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dance until the dawn.
Perfect.
Born from the same branch of leaves, wild and
Already
free,
exist.
living here in harmony.
Skipping,
Don't say this
skipping.
is where you want to be, but when you
Perfect.
leave, the world is never what it seems. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a
Okay.
reason why. Whoa, dance until the dawn. If only we could travel back in time. Whoa, right where we belong. Maybe we'll never need a reason why. Whoa, dance until the dawn.
It's generating. How could it be generating? It closed the window and still it's working up.
Yeah, unknown brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got 'em hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side. No, you did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
is lovely, now I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it. You so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games. Yeah, I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll
Looks
realize
like there is some
I'm only
issue
green on the other side.
with
No,
my
you did me dirty for the last time. So now I
thing.
gotta say goodbye.
Perfect.
So now I gotta say goodbye. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies. All
Till then, let's go
because
to Vercel website and let's
dripping
see what do they
lights
offer.
paint the skies. Only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
Crazy.
Can make me. Can make me so alive. Make it last forever. Stop in time. set the fire burning in me. All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high. I've been high. Lately, I've been high. I wanna know what nobody knows. I wanna go where nobody goes. I lost my way, found my fighter's destiny. I don't wanna look back now, 'cause I know that I don't need your love. I won't let you take me down, 'cause lately I've been high. I've been high. Lately I've been high. Been high. I've been high. 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 Lately I've been high.
Mm. Perfect, guys. It look like we'll end this stream right over here. I just want to deploy this today, so I just have to go through all the processes and go through some of the marketing processes. If you guys will like it, then just comment it down below, so I'll get to know that I should start posting the marketing video in the live too. So like we can start doing all the marketing on the live stream too. But if not, then I believe I'll do it offline, as well as I'll have to post I'll have to put down some of the API keys for all these integrations that we have made. So see you guys tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. PST. Till then, take care and have a good weekend. I guess it's the end of the weekend, so you can have it.